Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to change your TikTok username. So, let's get started. First, open your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. In your profile page, you'll see your profile picture and your current TikTok username. To change the username, click on the Edit Profile button just below your profile picture. In your Edit Profile page, you'll see a field labeled Username. Click on this field. After clicking on the username field, a new screen will appear where you can type in your new TikTok username. Remember, TikTok names can only be changed once every 30 days, so make sure you're happy with your choice. Once you've typed, click on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. You've successfully changed your TikTok username. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.